Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Bigin CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you unlink or remove your Gmail from your Bigin CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to unlink your Gmail from your Bigin CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and you have multiple emails, maybe you accidentally connected the wrong Gmail, so you don't want it to keep updating into your Bigin CRM. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Bigin CRM dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Bigin account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and unlink or remove a Gmail account, what you're going to do is click on this gear icon here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see this menu here to the left in gray, but you want to look for this button here called email. Once you do that, you're going to see the email that you have connected to your Bigin CRM. And in order to remove it, you're going to click on this red button, deactivate IMAP configuration. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this warning that all mail sent and received via your mail client will no longer be available inside Bigin. If you're okay with that, click here, deactivate IMAP configuration. Okay, quick second later, you're going to see this pop up, IMAP configuration deactivated. So now you can see my Gmail is no longer connected to my Bigin CRM. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to unlink or remove a Gmail from your Bigin CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.